Hello student, it is the class 7 and today we will learn about the Flash software that we have used in our 6th class for creating animations. So let's start our class. So what is Flash? So Flash is a powerful animation software package developed by Adobe System, formerly Macromedia. Flash provides a versatile and easy way to create an animation that consists of images, sounds, videos with various effects. Flash is a vector-based program, which means that the graphics created it in can be scaled to any size without losing the quality. It means that we can zoom in up to infinity limited. I mean to say that we can zoom in up to infinity limit. It means they will never getting scattered when we zoom in. Okay, so Flash is extremely useful for developing the highly interactive websites, online advertisement, computer games, content for various mobile devices. Playing movies in any browser is one of the best features of Flash. So how we can open Flash? So the Flash is used in many areas. We can create a games, we can create a little movies, we can create lots of other stuffs. So how we can open the Flash? We can open the Flash going to start button and find the Adobe. So maybe here is not showing the Adobe Flash because I don't install it. I just directly extract it from zip file. So now let's open our Flash. So how we can use it? So first you have to go on the file and click on the new button. You listen, and whenever you use Flash, always select the Flash file action script 3.0 because this is by default good file to create a proper animation. Okay. So now I have take this. So this is the Flash window. So this is the workspace of our Flash. So in the workspace, this is the timeline, and this is our menu bar where you find various menu, and this is our layer window where you can add or delete the different layer that you have added, and this is our stays. Stays mean to say that every content that you want to display in your video or animation, you have to draw it on here. So this is the stays of our Flash. So this is the property inspector panel, and this is the color swatching panel, and here you find the library. It means to say that all the previous files that you have created in Flash that will be show here. Okay, so now let's start some main content. The stage, what is the stage properly? The stage is the drawing board where we can create graphics, animation, and can make modification too. It is large white space that is present at the center of the workspace. By default, the stage dimensions are 550 into 400 pixels. Okay, we can edit it by from property panel. So the by default size of it is 550 into 400 pixels. We can change it. So this is our stage, and tools panel are here. So this is our tool panel where you find a various tools to use in your drawing of animation. So this is so these are the different tools that you can use in your drawing. So at the first there is a selection tool, and this is the subselection tool, and this is the lasso tool, text tool, pen tool, line tool, rectangular box tool, pencil tool, brush tool, bucket tool, hand moving tool, and eraser. So these are the basic tools that you have to use in your drawing. Okay, so now let's start some work in our Flash. So listen student, this is the timeline. So now this stage belongs to my first frame. If we want to create an animation, then obviously we have to add multiple frames. When we properly move that all frames in a row, then we will find that all the movement of that frames converted into a video. So by this method, we can create animations. So now I have added the first frame. Now let's draw something on here. No, drawing we will do in our next lecture. So there is a playheads layer. So these are the layers we can add. Or so if you want to add a frame, then you can add from the shortcut F6. By using F6, we create a multiple frames in our timeline. So this is the shortcut key to create a frames in our timeline. So this is our layer window. We can add layer from here. This is the symbol that we use to add the layers in our window. We add the layer because we need to mask the first layer on the second layer. So by this method, we can make our animation more effective. So now this is the method to adding the layers, and this is our scenes, and this is our property inspector panel where we change every tool's property and effects of every tool. So these all are the introduction of our Flash. So the rest one we will discuss in our next lecture, okay?